What you may not know about me. Tell me about yourself and your life. In my free time, I like reading fantasy books like Harry Potter and Disney Villains collection. But I also like crime books from Stephen King. I'm 18 years old. I have a small family, a father, a mother, and two small siblings, a little sister and a little brother. My family from my mother's side is very big, but we don't have much contact with them because they live in Germany and we live in Denmark. We moved to Denmark when I was like 4 or 5 years old. My siblings grew up in Denmark since I was born. In my future, I like to study something like law, because I find it very interesting. And my favorite food is actually bread. I don't know why. Um, yeah, my friends, or my friend group used to be very small, because I don't like to be around many people at the same time. Um, but I like many people. Tell me about how you feel about English. Um, I think I find English is a very interesting language, because it's like a worldwide language. Many people speak it. Um, there is a kind of a big uh, difference between American English and British English about pronouncing how to pronounce the words. But it's still kind of the same language. Sometimes the language can be very easy, especially when you grew up in Denmark, where many things from your daily life, for example, movies, are in English with Danish subtitles. But if you need to analyze like an American speech from an American president, it can be kind of difficult. That experience was, I experienced that when we write our SRO and we needed to write something about Brexit. What I liked about the language is that it gives many opportunities. Many countries have English as their second language or the first language. Um, it sounds sometimes cooler than the Danish language or also the German language, which also is one of the reasons why we kind of mix English with our first language, which is Danish. In our daily life, we use many slogans, or not slogans, but slangs like "what the fuck" and "cool" and "I know" and "oh my gosh." Um, Social media is also a good example of how English is a part of our daily life. Many things people post on social media is on English because it's a widespread language, and the most music we listen to is also on English. Um, is there anything you want to improve on in your English skills? I like to improve my grammar skills and my pronouncing of the words. I don't know. I can come with a special example of which word I find it's very hard to pronounce, but the most difficult thing of pronouncing is when I need to read something out loud, then sometimes just go wrong. And I like to improve my vocabulary